Finally, my seat! Wait, that's my seat.
Oh,
Dad!
okay, everyone. Do we have everything?
Yes. Tickets, bags, snacks. Emma, do you have your teddy bear?
Yes, Mom. His name is Mr. Fluffy. You still bring that thing? He likes trains too, Tom. Whatever.
The train is coming in 5 minutes.
Great. Let's stand here.
Dad, can I sit by the window, please?
Sure, buddy. It's your seat. I already picked it for you.
Yes! Window seat! No fair! I want the window too!
Emma, next time it's your turn, okay?
Fine.
All right, everyone. Let's go.
Here are our seats. 12A, B, C, and D.
This is my seat! Right here, by the window.
Good job, Tom. Put your bag under the seat.
Can I look out the window too? After me. That's not fair.
Kids, please. We have a long trip. Let's be nice.
Tom, do you want to get some snacks with me? There's a food cart.
Yes! Can we get chips and soda?
Maybe. Let's see what they have.
Okay, you two go. We'll wait here.
We'll be right back.
Mom, I need the restroom.
Okay, sweetie, let's go find one.
Can Mr. Fluffy come too?
Sure, bring him along.
Dad, look! Dad, that's my seat.
Let me check the ticket. Yeah, that's definitely our seat number.
Are you gonna talk to him?
Just give me a second.
What's going on? Why are you two just standing here?
That man is sitting in Tom's seat.
Oh my.
Whoa, he's so big!
Just ask him politely. It's probably a mistake.
Okay, I can do this. Whoa!
Dad!
He just left.
Okay, good. Let's just sit somewhere else for now.
But that's my seat!
We'll figure it out, Tom. Let's watch where he goes first.
Oh dear, this is so heavy.
Here, let me help you with that.
Oh, thank you so much, young man.
No problem, ma'am.
See? He's being nice now, but I bet it's an act. An act? What do you mean? Like, he's pretending. Maybe he wants something from her. That's a weird idea, Tom.
Here you go, buddy. Don't lose him again.
Thank you, mister. Suspicious.
Tom, stop it. He's just being kind.
I don't trust him. Big scary guys don't just help people for no reason.
Would you like some water? I have an extra bottle.
Oh, that's very kind. Thank you.
See? He's trying to be everyone's friend. That's exactly what a criminal would do. Tom, you watch too many movies. I'm serious, Emma. We need to be careful.
Tom, calm down. Let's just go get our seat back. Nicely.
I should go talk to him. I'm not scared. You? You cried when a dog barked at you last week. That's not true. It is true. You hid behind Mom. I was not hiding. I was tying my shoe. Your shoes don't even have laces, Tom. Stop it, Emma. You're always talking big, but you never do anything. I do martial arts, okay? I can handle this. You took like 3 karate classes? That still counts.
Okay, both of you, stop. We are on a train, not a boxing ring.
Your mom is right. Let's calm down.
She started it. Did not.
Enough. Tom, if you really want to talk to him, go ahead. But be polite.
Fine, I will. Good luck. I'm not scared. Excuse me, sir?
Oh, hey there. What's up, little man?
My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Marcus.
I do martial arts. I've been training since I was 7.
Whoa, that's awesome. What style?
Taekwondo. And a little karate.
That's really cool, man. I respect that.
So, actually, I think you're sitting in my seat. Seat 12A, by the window.
Oh, wait. Let me check. Oh man, you're totally right. I have seat 12A on car number 5, not this one. I got on the wrong car.
Oh, so it was just a mistake?
Yeah, my bad, buddy. I'm so sorry about that. I didn't mean to take your seat.
Hey, is everything okay here?
I'm really sorry. I got on the wrong train car. This is your son's seat. I'll move right now.
Oh, no problem at all. These things happen.
Thank you for helping that old woman earlier, by the way. That was very kind of you.
Oh, that's nothing. My grandma always told me to help people when I can.
You gave water to that lady too, and you helped the little boy find his toy.
You noticed all that, huh?
I notice everything.
Sorry, I thought you were, a bad guy.
No worries, man. I get that a lot. I know I look pretty scary, but I'm just a big teddy bear, really.
Just like Mr. Fluffy.
Well, I better find my real seat. Nice meeting you all.
Nice meeting you too, Marcus.
Keep training hard, Tom. Maybe one day you'll be even bigger than me.
I hope so.
Well, that was an adventure.
You should have seen your face, honey.
I was ready to run.
This is my seat, finally. Can I look out the window now, please?
Okay, fine. Come here.
The trees look so fast. Almost there. Mom, are we going to the zoo today?
Yes, Tom, we are going to the zoo. Eat your breakfast first.
I want to see the lions. They are my favorite animals.
Great. Let's eat quickly. We leave at 9 o'clock.
Yes! Hooray!
That's better. We're here.
Let's go, Dad.
Okay.
I can't wait to see the animals.
Excuse me. 4 tickets, please. 2 adults and 2 children.
That is $40, please.
Thank you.
Wow! Look at the map, Dad. The elephants are over there.
Very good, Tom. Let's go see them now.
Stay close, children. Don't run.
Look at that.
Wow.
It is so big. What does it eat, Mom?
Elephants eat grass, fruits, and leaves. They drink a lot of water, too.
Look. The elephant is using its nose to drink water. That is funny.
That is called a trunk, Tom. The trunk is very strong.
I love elephants. Can we take a photo, Dad? Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, take a picture of me.
There it is! A lion! He is so beautiful! It is sleeping. Is it lazy?
No, Tom. Lions sleep about 15 to 20 hours a day. They need a lot of rest.
The lion is called the king of the jungle. It is very powerful.
I want to be strong like a lion.
Look, kids, food!
Yay! Come on, come on!
Yeah.
Yes! I am so hungry. Can I have a hot dog? And Emma, what do you want? I want a sandwich and orange juice, please.
Good choices. Let's eat and then see the penguins and the giraffes.
Penguins! Yes! I love penguins. They walk so funny. Oh, I see it. Yeah, over there. We made it. Wow! It is so tall. Is it the tallest animal in the world?
Yes, Tom, the giraffe is the tallest animal. It can reach 6 meters.
6 meters?
Look, Tom, 6 meters is very tall.
I wish I could be that tall. Then I can reach things on the top shelf.
That is a good idea, Emma.
Well, here we are, Penguin World. Brrr, it is very cold in here. Ah! Oh, wow! Cool! Penguins live in cold places. They like the cold weather. Look! The penguins are swimming! Wow! They are so fast! But they walk slowly on land. Like this. Eep!
Oh man, did you see that?
I can't! That was too much!
He's actually doing it. I can't believe it.
Wow. Ah, that's better. Much warmer out here.
Whoa, so bright!
Look, over there. Today was wonderful. Did you enjoy the zoo, kids?
Yes, Dad. My favorite was the penguins. They are so funny. I loved the lions. And the giraffes. And the elephants. Everything.
I am so happy we came today, Mike. This is a wonderful day.
Me too, Sarah. Same time next year?
Oh, yeah.
Yes! Next year! All right, here we are. I can't wait to see the new game store.
Okay, everyone. We are at the mall today. What do you want to do first?
I want to eat pizza. Ah! And ice cream. I want to buy new shoes. My shoes are too small now.
Haha. Okay, let's go to the shoe store first. Then we eat lunch.
Yes, this mall is so big. I love it here.
Wow, look at all the cool shoes.
Mom, look. These shoes are beautiful. Can I try them?
Yes, of course. What size do you need?
Size 5, please.
Tom, don't run in the store. Walk slowly, please.
Sorry, Dad. Dad! I can smell pizza. Can we eat now? Yes! Emma has new shoes now. Let's go eat.
This pizza is so good. I want more.
Fire alarm! Fire alarm! Please leave the building.
Mom! What is that? I am scared.
Don't worry, Tom. It's the fire alarm. We need to leave now. Hold my hand.
Emma, Tom, stay close. Do not run. Walk fast. Follow me. Keep moving. We're almost there.
Come on, Tom. Watch out for that tray.
Just through the door. Keep your eyes open, kids. Stay close.
What do we do?
Left. The exit is that way. Where is the exit? I do not see the green sign.
Dad, I can see smoke. Over there. It's coming from that shop.
Don't go near the smoke. Cover your nose, Tom. Use your shirt.
Okay, Mom. Like this? My eyes hurt. I'm scared, Mom.
Help! Over here! We need help!
Are you okay? How many people are with you?
4 people. Me, my wife Sarah, and our 2 children. We can't find the exit. Please follow me. The exit is this way. Stay behind me. Walk. Do not run.
Tom, hold my hand. We walk together, okay? Emma, are we almost there?
Almost there. 30 more seconds. You are doing great.
Keep moving. We're almost there.
We are outside. Fresh air. I can breathe.
Thank you so much. You helped our family. We are very grateful.
You're welcome. I'm happy everyone is safe. Please wait here. The firefighters are coming. Emma, Tom, are you okay? Does anything hurt?
I'm okay, Dad. Just a little shaky. But I'm okay. I'm okay too. Dad, look! The fire truck is so cool! Oh, thank goodness!
Wow, it's so big. Look, they're waving. Today was very scary,
Yeah,
but we were calm.
yeah,
We worked together.
yeah.
I am proud of you all.
Mom, I learned something. In a fire, walk. Don't run. And cover your nose. I learned. Always stay with your family. And ask for help.
That's right. That's right. And always know where the exit is. Very important.
Now, who wants ice cream? I think we all need it. Right, Mike?
Ha! Yes! Great idea, Sarah. Let's go!